Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Battle Pass tokens not working. So I've searched on the internet and basically I found this post here, and basically it says in order to fix, you're gonna have to simply restart the game and jump back into multiplayer. As soon as you're back in the game, you'll be able to collect the Battle Pass tokens. So basically, I use this method in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, and basically it worked for me. So as you can see, this user here used this method for Modern Warfare 2, but I tried it on 3 and it worked. So make sure to restart the game and jump back into multiplayer, and as soon as you're back, you're gonna be able to collect them. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.